CRM software development presented by By-Grisha, Dillon, Deblina, Banerjee and Avirup Shome under the guidance of Professor Soumen and Dillon Sarkar, Techno International, Newtown. We were given an assignment where there is a project that starts on 1st August and the different timings are given for each day, and there are certain tasks. We need to find or we need to draw the Gantt chart and the network diagram and indicate the critical path in red. We will start our work in Microsoft project. The first thing that we need to do is we need to create a calendar of our own. We need to create a calendar and then we need to set the holidays and the time that is specified in the question. Also, we need to change the fiscal year that is given in the question. According to the question, the fiscal year for the company starts on 1st April and the year provided in the question is 2014. So first of all, we need to change the fiscal year. File, options, schedule. Fiscal year starts in April. Also, we need to change this as auto schedule so that we don't have to do this separately whenever we do the entry for each and every task. Okay. Next is we will create a calendar project. Under project, this is change working timing. Create new calendar. We name it as calendar A2. Since the year provided in the question is 2014, we'll navigate to 2014 and mark the holidays according to the given question. So the holidays given here: Janmashtami, 13th August. So Janmashtami, start and finish date, it takes up automatically based on the date we have selected. After that, we have Independence Day. Click on the date 15 and then write here Independence Day. Next is Mahalaya, 18th September. Then Eid-ul-Fitr, 2nd September. Then we have Durga Puja from 25th to 28th. So we will select the date 25th September to 20th September. So we will select from 25th till 28th. And according to our selection, it will take the start and end date. That is 25th and then 28th. Next is Gandhi birthday, 2nd October. Start and finish date is taken. Next is Lakshmi Puja, 3rd October. Click on 3rd, write here Lakshmi Puja. Start and finish date is taken. Then is Kali Puja, 17th October. Click on 17 and then write here Kali Puja. Next is Guru Nanak birthday, 2nd November. November. And Christmas, Xmas Day, that is 25th of December. So next is 25th. We'll write here Xmas and the dates will be taken automatically. And then okay. So first part is done, where we have taken the fiscal year, we have made changes to the fiscal year, and then we have added our holidays, the given holidays. After the addition of the holidays, the next part is to set the timings for each day, and this portion will be shown by Avirup. He will be showing you how to add the times of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever is specified in the question.
Hi guys, I am Avirup. I will be taking over from now on. So this is the project we have been given to draw an ad chart from, and these are the 12 jobs given in the assignment. My teammate Grisha has already created the required calendar along with these holidays. So now all we have left are these two parts. One, we have to add the working hours, and second, we have to add these mentioned tasks. I will be covering the first part and the second part will be covered by my teammates. So now in order to add the working hours, first click on the project option here in the menu bar. Now click on the change working time here and go to the work weeks right beside the exceptions. Double click on the first cell, and here you will be able to change the timings for the specific days. According to our assignment, there is no work on Sundays, so I will mark Sunday as a non-working day. Now for Monday, working hours start at 7:30 AM and it goes up to 5 PM. So it starts at 7:30 AM and it goes up to 5 PM. Now for Tuesday, working hours start at 8 AM. So we have to change this 8 AM and it ends at 5:30 AM. I'm sorry, 5:30 PM. Similarly, for Wednesday, it starts at 9 AM and it ends at 7 PM. So here it is, and same goes for Thursday and Friday. Okay. and for Saturday it starts at 9 a.m. and it ends at 1 p.m. It's a half day. So I'm sorry, here it is. Now save the changes here and click on OK. That's it. The drive link for the assignment will be mentioned in the description below. Now my other teammate Deblina.
Hello, this is Deblina Banerjee. So I will discuss the rest part of the project. As you have seen that Grisha has given the introduction and also showed how to add the holidays, and thereafter Avirup showed how to add the time for respective days, and I am going to discuss that how can we add task. Change work time, all the holidays are added like Independence Day, Mahalaya according to the date. We can see in the question also that we have added the holidays in the project, in the calendar sheet. Now we can check the time also. In the work weeks tab, go to details and then we can see that the shifts for each day has been added according to the question. Yes, we can see that on Monday, Tuesday the shift times are different. So we have added accordingly into the project. Like on Tuesday the shift is 8 am to 5:30 p.m. So we can see that on Tuesday the time is that. Now I have to add task one by one according to the question. The first task is problem identification. This is the first task for duration 3 days and there is no predecessor. So I have to right click on the cell. Here in general tab, I have to give the name of the task. Suppose the first task is problem identification. So I am giving the task name here. Schedule mode will be auto scheduled always. In advanced tab, I have to click the calendar A2, that is the calendar which I have added the holidays and time. So that is the default calendar which we have to select all the time for all the tasks. Now for the first task, the duration days is 3. So I am adding 3 in duration. So my first task is ready. As you can see, the Gantt chart is also preparing. Now I have to add the second task. The study of existing system for 4 duration days. So I am giving the name here as I mentioned earlier. The duration is 4, so I am giving 4 here. Now in advanced tab, I have to click the calendar A2. Here there is also no predecessor. So I have to click OK. Now my second task is also ready. So one by one I have to add the task like this process only. Now I am adding the third task. Task analysis is my third task for 2 duration days. So I have to add 2 in duration tab. The schedule mode will be auto scheduled as I mentioned earlier, and my calendar will be calendar A2 under advanced tab. Here it is. Now my task 3 is also get ready. Now for SRS preparation, here there is some change. I am giving the name now. Duration is for 5 days. In advanced, I have to click calendar A2. Now predecessors, we can see that in this task, 2 predecessor is there, A and B. A means 1 task, B is number 2 task. So I have to add number 1, number 2 in ID tab. So A means 1, that is problem identification, and number 2 is B, that is study of existing system. According to the question, I have filled that. Now I am checking the general part, it's already fine. So yeah, here it is. SRS preparation task is also ready. So like this only I have to added the task again with predecessor. I am going to prepare my fourth task. My task name is form analysis for duration 1 day and predecessor is B, that is the task 2. In advanced I have to select calendar A2, predecessor is B, that means task 2. So I have to give 2 in ID. Schedule mode will be auto scheduled for all the tasks. Here it is, it's already done. Same as that I have to add the second task also. And my sixth task is feasibility study for 3 duration days. Schedule mode is already not scheduled. Duration I have to give 3 under duration tab. I am checking again. Yeah, it's 3 now. Advanced I have to select calendar A2. Predecessors here is B, that means task number 2. So I am giving 2 here under ID tab. Yeah, here it is, study of existing system is my second task. So it's already added now. I'm checking again. Yeah, all fine. Here it is. So my all the tasks are ready. So I have shown that how we have to add the task under the project according to the question. Now the rest of the things will be discussed by our another friend Grisha.
Have already been added by Deblina and the remaining steps will be done by me. So getting back to the question, I'll start from the 7th step, that is feasibility study. Conceptual design. I'll start from conceptual design, having a duration of 6 days and its immediate predecessors are FNC. By this time, Deblina must have shown you how to add the tasks and set the duration. I will also be doing it in a similar way. Double clicking the cell of the task name, writing the name here, name of the task, conceptual design, duration given in the question is 6 days and its immediate predecessors are FNC. Then we go to the predecessors tab. F and C. F is 6th task and C denotes 3rd task. Then we move to advanced tab. Calendar, we set the calendar that we created, then OK. Continuing with the next task, detailed design, having a duration of 4 days and immediate predecessor is B, that is task 2. Double clicking here, giving the task name. The task name was detailed design. duration was 4 days. Predecessor was B, that is 2. Task name is taken up automatically. In this tab, we need to change the calendar to the calendar we created. And then OK. Next task. Coding 4 days, E and H. Coding 4 days, E and H. E is the 5th task and H is the 8th task. And calendar A2, OK. Next, testing 2 days, again E and H. Testing 2 days. We need to change the calendar here. E and H, that is E is 5th and H is 8th task. Then OK. After testing, we have implementation and maintenance. Duration is 1 day and PDFG are the predecessors. Implementation and maintenance. Predecessors were CDFG. Duration was 1 day. C is 3, D is 4, F is 6 and H is 8. Calendar A2, OK. So each and every task we need to set the calendar that we have created. And the last task is re-engineering, having a duration of 5 days and immediate predecessor as K. Re-engineering. Days, predecessors as K. K means 11th task. Changing the calendar. So addition of all the tasks is done based on the duration and the predecessors that is provided. So question is given that we need to draw the Gantt chart, view and the network diagram and indicate the critical path in red. So from this we can see the Gantt chart. This diagram is the Gantt chart. This, which is a combination of lines of blue and red. The red lines indicate the critical path. If we want to see the network diagram, we need to click on the drop down menu and select the network diagram. From here, this is the network diagram, showing the different steps, the start date and finish date, different tasks. And how to mark the critical path in red, we go to view we go to format, critical task. If we uncheck it, it all becomes blue. Checking it, it shows the critical path in red. So this is how our project is completed. This is all that we have to do. That is, first is the setting of the fiscal year, then is the addition of holidays, then the addition of time, and then the addition of tasks based on the duration that is given. And through this we can get the Gantt chart, and if you want to print the Gantt chart, we can simply go here and print it. So that is all about the assignment that we three of us has worked on it. Thank you so much.